The California Department of Pesticide Regulations School IPM program organizes workshops to provide training on the Healthy Schools Act and safer, more sustainable, integrated pest management strategies for schools. Workshops are held at a host school where attendees from many school districts throughout California connect and spend a day with DPR staff and trainers. DPR staff provide a presentation on the Healthy Schools Act, covering the law's requirements and providing an overview of IPM. Attendees then learn about landscape and structural IPM through a combination of presentations and hands-on activities around the campus. The landscape IPM session focuses on weed identification and control, turf grass management, and burrowing rodents like gophers and ground squirrels, with an emphasis on non-chemical approaches such as trapping or carbon monoxide. The structural IPM session covers monitoring, exclusion, and control of commensal rodents in and around buildings, identification and management of common insects found at schools, such as ants and cockroaches, and addressing conducive conditions for pest prevention. Attending DPR's school IPM workshop fulfills the annual Healthy Schools Act training requirement and is a great opportunity to meet staff from other school districts and share effective IPM strategies. If you are interested in attending a workshop or your school is interested in hosting an IPM workshop, please feel free to email us at school-ipm@cdpr.ca.gov.